Now we are discussing the solution of non-homogeneous recurrence relation. Non-homogeneous recurrence relation is of the form C0 an plus C1 an minus 1 plus C2 an minus 2 plus etc. plus Ck an minus k equal to f of n, where the right hand side f of n not equal to 0. Then that equation becomes non-homogeneous. The solution of a non-homogeneous equation is solution of the homogeneous part plus particular integral, that is an is equal to homogeneous solution an plus particular integral an. Okay, particular solution an. This table helps to assume particular solutions in which the constants are to be found. Okay, if your Fn, the right hand side Fn is d of kn, then also characteristic polynomial c of t, ck not equal to 0, then form of the particular solution is a k raised to n. That is, right hand side is k raised to n and the characteristic polynomial k is not a root of the characteristic polynomial. Here we have two cases. Right side is k raised to n form, and first case is k is not a root of the characteristic polynomial, and second case is k is a root of the characteristic polynomial with a multiplicity k. If k is not a characteristic root, then the particular solution is of the form a into k raised to n. If k is a root of the characteristic polynomial with multiplicity m, then the particular solution is a n raised to m into k raised to n. Next form, the right side is n raised to s into k raised to s. If the right side is of the form n raised to s, k raised to s, and k is not a characteristic root, then the solution or particular solution is of the form a0 plus a1 plus etc. plus as n raised to s k raised to n. If k is a root of the characteristic polynomial with multiplicity m, a0 plus a1 n plus etc. plus as n raised to s, n raised to m, k raised to n is the particular solution. Now, what is the particular solution when the right side is n raised to s? If n raised to s, we check 1 is the characteristic root or not. N raised to s in the right side and 1 is not a characteristic root, then the solution is a0 plus a1n plus etc. plus as n raised to s. If 1 is a root of the characteristic polynomial with multiplicity m, then the solution is a0 plus a1n plus etc. plus as n raised to s n raised to m. You must by heart these formulas for solving the problems. Now the problem solved an plus 2 minus 5 an plus 1 plus 6 an is equal to 2, where the initial conditions given are a0 is equal to 1 and a1 is equal to minus 1. First we find the homogeneous solution, that is an h. Here homogeneous part is an plus 2 minus 5 an plus 1 plus 6 an equal to 0. So it is a second order recurrence relation, and so r square minus 5r plus 6 is equal to 0. R minus 3 into r minus 2 is equal to 0. So r is equal to 3 and 2. Here distinct real roots. Therefore an h is equal to b1 2 raised to n plus b2 3 raised to n. That's equation number 1. Then we find the particular solution. Here the right hand side is 2. Right hand side is 2. RHS is 2. That is 2 means it is of the form k raised to n. Here 2 raised to 1. That is 2 is a root with a multiplicity 2 is a root with multiplicity 1. Also 2 is the root of the characteristic equation. Okay, that is the second form in the table given before. Okay, that is function is k raised to n and k is a root of the characteristic polynomial with the multiplicity m. Then the form is a n raised to m k raised to n. So here 2 is a root of this characteristic polynomial. So a n p, the particular solution is a into n raised to, here the multiplicity is 1. So a n raised to 1 into 2 raised to, here k is 2, 2 raised to n. Okay. So a n is equal to a into n raised to m into 2 raised to, sorry, n raised to m into k raised to n. Okay. So a n 2 raised to n is the solution. Here the right hand side is 2 raised to, here the right hand side is 2. That is, it is of the form k raised to n. So k is equal to 2 and n is equal to 1. With the multiplicity 1, so m is also 1. So the a into n is 1, 1 raised to 1 into k is 2, 2 raised to 1. So a into 2. Okay. So the solution is 2a. Is the particular solution. Now we want to find this constant a. So the given recurrence relation is a n plus 2 minus 5 a n plus 1 plus 6 a n is equal to 2. Substituting the value of a n then is this equation. a n is 2a. So a n plus 1 is also 2a. And a n plus 2 is also 2a. If it contains 2an, if it is of the form, here the form is 2a. If it is of the form 2n is equal to 2an, then an plus 1 is 2an plus 1. Okay, and an plus 2 is 2a into n plus 2. But here it is 2a. There is no variable n. So an and an plus 1 and an plus 2 are 2a. Substitute these a values in this equation. We get 2a minus 5 into 2a plus 6 into 2a equals 2. Solving we get 4a is equal to 2 or a is equal to half. Therefore, the particular solution a and p is equal to 2 half into 2, a into 2, that is half into 2, that is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, the complete solution is homogeneous part plus particular solution. So, plus 1. Okay. Therefore, the solution is an is equal to an h plus ANP, that is equal to B1 2 raised to n plus B2 3 raised to n plus 1. Here the equation is 3. Now we want to find these constants B1 and B2 using the initial condition also. A0 is equal to 1, that is equal to B1 2 raised to 0 plus B2 3 raised to 0 plus 1. So B1 plus B2 is equal to 0. That's equation number 4. A1 is equal to minus 1. So, A1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, it is A1 here. B1 2 or 2B1 plus 3B3 plus 1. So, 2B1 plus 3B3 is equal to minus 2. Multiplying this equation by 2, we get 2B1 plus 2B2 is equal to 0. Subtracting, we get b2 is equal to minus 2. b2 is equal to minus 2. Then from this equation, b1 is equal to 2. Therefore, the general solution an is equal to, that is b1, 2 into 2 raised to n plus minus 2 into 3 raised to n plus 1. So, the general solution an is equal to 2 into an, 2 raised to n minus 2 into 3 raised to n plus 1. Now we discuss the second problem. Solve an plus 2 minus 4 an plus 1 plus 4 an is equal to 2 raised to n. For the homogeneous solution, consider an plus 2 minus 4 an plus 1 plus 4 an equal to 0. This is a second order recurrence relation. So r square minus 4r plus 4 is equal to 0. R minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So, 2 is a real root with a multiplicity 2. Therefore, solution, homogeneous solution is b1 plus n b2 2 raised to n. Now, we want to find the particular solution. Here, the right hand side is 2 raised to n. Here, the right hand side is 2 raised to n. It's also of the form k raised to n, where here 2 raised to n is of the form k raised to n. So, k is equal to 2. 2 is also a characteristic root of this equation with multiplicity 2. Therefore, the particular solution is of the form a n raised to m k raised to n. Here a into n raised to, what is m? The multiplicity of 2. Multiplicity of 2 is 2 into 2 raised to n. So, the particular solution is a n square 2 raised to n. A n is equal to a n square 2 raised to n. Then what is a n plus 1? That is equal to a into n plus 1 whole square into 2 raised to n plus 1. That is a into n square plus 2n plus 1 into 2 raised to n plus 1. What is a n plus 2? That is equal to a into n plus 1 n plus 2 whole square into 2 raised to n plus 2. That is equal to a into n square plus 4n plus 4 into 2 raised to n plus 2. Substituting these values a n plus 2, a n plus 1, a n in the given recurrence relation, we get a into n square plus 4n plus 4 into 2 raised to n plus 2 minus 4 into, what is a n plus 1? A into n square plus 2n plus 1 into 2 raised to n plus 1 plus 4 into a n is a n square 2 raised to n equal to 2 raised to n. Now multiplying and solving, we get all the term contains 2 raised to n into a. Here 2 raised to n plus 2 is 2 raised to n into 2 square. So in this term we have a 2 raised to n into a. Here also we have a 2 raised to n into a. In the last term also 2 raised to n into a. So take 2 raised to n into a outside. Take 2 raised to n into a outside. We get, in the first term, here is 4n square plus 16n plus 16. 2n taken outside, then here 2 square remains. 2 square into n square is 4n square. Similarly, we get the next term is 16n and the third term is 16. Here also minus 8n square minus 16n minus 8. The last term is 4n square plus 4n square equals 2 raised to n. Okay. 2 raised to n cancels from the left side and right side. We get a into 4n square. The last term is The last term is minus 4n square. So minus 4n square plus 4n square cancels, and 16 minus 8 is here, okay, sorry, plus 4n square. 4n square plus 4n square minus n square minus 8n square cancels. 16n minus 16n cancels. 16 minus 8 is 8. A into 8 is equal to 0. Sorry, A into 8 is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 by 8. Therefore, A and P is equal to n square by 8 into 2 raised to n. Therefore, the solution is homogeneous part is B1 plus B2n into 2 raised to n plus particular solution is n square by 8 2 raised to n. Here initial conditions are not given, therefore the solution is an is equal to b1 plus bn 2 raised to n plus n square by 8 2 raised to n. Next problem, yn plus 2 minus yn plus 1 minus 2 yn equal to n square. First find the homogeneous solution, that is it's a second order equation. So r square minus 2 equal to 0. So r minus 2 into r plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore r is equal to 2 and minus 1. Therefore anh is equal to b1 into minus 1 raised to n plus b2 into 2 raised to n. Now we find the particular solution. For that, RHS is n square if n raised to s form, that is n raised to s form, but here in n raised to s form the characteristic root is 1 or not. Here the 1 is not the characteristic root, minus 1 is the characteristic root, but 1 is not a root. Therefore the solution is of the form a0 plus a1n plus a2n square. Okay, a1n plus a2n square. a0 plus a1n plus a2n square. Therefore ynp, not an, here the letters are given yn, so we write here yn. If an is given, then we write an, here yn is given, so ynp. Particular solution of yn is a0 plus a1n plus a2n square be the particular solution. Okay. Now substitute the values of yn plus 1, yn plus 2 in this equation. What is yn plus 2? Yn is an plus a1n plus a2n square. So yn plus 2 is a0 plus a1n plus 2 plus a2n plus 2 whole square minus, what is yn plus 1? a0 plus a1 into n plus 1 plus a2 into n plus 1 whole square. Then minus 2 into, what is yn? a0 plus a1n plus a2n square equals n square. After calculations we get minus 2a2n square. Combine all the terms of n square, minus 2a2n square plus n into 4a2 minus 2a2 minus 2a1 plus, combining the constant terms, 2a1 plus 4a2 minus a1 minus a2 minus 2a0 equals n square. N square is n square plus 0n plus 0. Then equating the coefficients. If we equating the constant terms, what we get? Then if equating the coefficient of n square, what we get? If we equating the coefficients of n square, we get minus 2a2 is equal to 1. Here the coefficient of n square is minus 2a2 and here it is 1. So a2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then equating the constant terms, we get 2a2 minus 2a1 equal to 0. That implies a1 is equal to a2. So a2 is also minus half. Then equating the coefficient of n, we get a0 is equal to minus 1. a0 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, particular solution ynp is equal to minus 1 minus 1 by 2n minus 1 by 2 n square. So the complete solution is particular solution plus homogeneous solution. Okay.